Good day, dear grade 6 pupils. Are you ready for our new lesson? We are now on the 7th week of the second quarter. Welcome to our mathematics class. Today, we'll learn about describing the set of integers, identifying real-life situations that make use of it, comparing and arranging integers. Prepare on your side, Week 7 answer sheet, Math notebook and pen, Math grade 6 module, and we will be dealing on pages 26 to 28. Together, let us discover the joy in doing satisfying computations while learning more in mathematics. What is an integer? An integer is a whole number, not a fraction, that can be a positive, negative, or zero. Therefore, the numbers 10, 0, negative 25, and 5,148 are all integers. Unlike floating point numbers, integers cannot have decimal places. When we say floating point numbers, those are the decimal numbers. In your module on page 26, it is stated that integers are all natural numbers known as counting numbers. The negatives, opposites, additive inverse, and the number 0 is also included. Integer has no fraction or decimals. Look at the number line. 0 is our reference point. At the right of 0, we have positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, and so on. All numbers at the right of 0 are called positive integers. On the other hand, at the left of 0, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and so on. All the numbers at the left of 0 are called negative numbers. 0 is neither negative nor positive. It has no sign. Integers that are equidistant or with the same distance from 0 are called opposites, like negative 4 and positive 4. Negative 4 is 4 units to the left of 0, while positive 4 is also 4 units to the right of 0. Another example is negative 5 and positive 5. Integers like these are called opposites. Can you cite other examples of opposites? It could be negative 12 and positive 12, positive 45 and negative 45, and a lot more. In connection with opposite integers, we have the so-called additive inverse. Additive inverse property of numbers is that if you add opposites, your sum will be 0. As our previous example, negative 4 plus positive 4 will give us a sum of 0. Same with negative 5 plus positive 5. Other examples are negative 36 plus positive 36 is equal to 0. Negative 52 plus positive 52 is equal to 0. Positive 13 plus negative 13 is equal to 0. And positive 71 plus negative 71 is equal to 0. Again, when you add opposites, your sum will be 0. And that is what we called the additive inverse. How do we compare and order integers? We must remember that as you move to the right on the number line, integers get larger in value. As you move to the left on the number line, integers get smaller in value. All positive integers are greater than 0, and all negative integers are less than 0. With negative numbers, we have to put in our mind that as the digit gets bigger, the number gets smaller in value. As an example, negative 1 is greater than negative 2. 0 is greater than negative 5. And 1 is greater than 0. Later, we will have more practice about comparing and ordering integers. Integers in real-life situations. You can use integers to help represent many real-world situations, such as increases and decreases in temperature, profits and losses of money, locations above and below sea level. To relate integers in our real-life situations, there are some keywords that we can consider. The keywords listed below means to go up or add up, so you will use a positive integer, like increase, gain, climb, profit, above, ascend, save, and sum. Integers in real-life situations for negative numbers, the keywords listed below means to go down or decrease, so you will use a negative integer. Those are decrease, loss, down, debt, below, descend, spend, or withdraw. Let's have a practice. You may write your answer on your math notebook. Take note of the keywords so you can come up with the correct answer. You may start answering as I read each item. You may pause this video if you need more time in answering. Number 1. A plane climbing to an altitude of 10,000 feet. 2. Taking 1,000 pesos out of the bank. 3. 200 feet below sea level. 4. A hiker climbing to an altitude of 6,000 feet. 5. Spending 5,000 pesos. Again, you may pause this video if you need more time in answering. Now, let us find how many items did you answer correctly. For number 1, what could be our keyword? It is climbing. Climbing is going up, so we can use the integer positive. So the answer would be positive 10,000. 2, our keyword is taking. Taking is subtracting from your money, so it would be a negative 1,000. Number 3, our keyword is below, so the answer is negative 200. 4, again, like in number 1, the keyword would be climbing, and the answer is positive 6,000. Last item, spending, it denotes negative, and the answer is negative 5,000. Did you answer it correctly? If not, it's still okay. We have more time to practice for that skill. It's about time to apply what you have learned. You will be dealing with learning tasks 1 to 5, pages 27 to 28 on your math module. Get your week 7 answer sheet and write your answers on it. You may pause the video if you need more time in answering. Learning task 1. Name a positive or negative integer to represent each situation. Write your answer on your answer sheet. You may write your answer as I read each item. Again, pause the video if you need more time in answering. 1. Saving 25 pesos. 2. 6 feet below the ground. Number 3. What is the opposite of negative 6? 4. When a player to a basketball team shoot the ball and gain 3 points ahead against the opponent. 5. What is the sum of negative 8 plus positive 8? Again, pause the video if you need more time in answering. Let us find out how many correct answers did you get. Check your own work as I give the correct answer. Remember, we aim for learning, not for points earning. Honesty is the best policy. God bless and enjoy learning more in mathematics. Here are the answers. Number 1, the keyword is saving, so the answer is positive 25. Number 2, the keyword would be below, the answer is negative 6. What would be the keyword in number 3? There's nothing, or the opposite of negative 6 would be positive 6. 4, the keyword would be gained, so it is positive 3. Number 5, remember the additive inverse? Opposite numbers will give us the sum of 0. So the sum of negative 8 and positive 8 would be 0. Okay, congratulations. Learning task 2. Name a positive or negative integer to represent each situations. Write your answer on your answer sheet. You may write your answer as I read each item. Pause the video if you need more time in answering. Number 1. Gained 6% interest from bank deposit. 2. What is the sum of negative 3 and positive 3? Number 3. Deogracias Lagario paying an amortization amounting 22,300 pesos to the bank from his car loan. 4. David Nathaniel Lagario climbed the hill with an altitude of 1,000 feet. Number 5. The temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. Item number 6. What is the sum of negative 4 plus positive 6? 7. During pandemic, Mr. Lasso gained his weight from 66 kg to 80 kg. 8. A bodybuilder lost his weight by 2 kg per week. 9. 25 steps uphill. Last item, an airplane approaching to the runway, descending an altitude by 10 feet per second. Pause the video if you need more time in answering. Let us find out how many correct answers did you get. Check your own work as I give the correct answers. Remember, we aim for learning, not for points earning. Honesty is the best policy? 1. Gain denotes positive 6. Number 2, additive inverse, so we have 0. Number 3, paying, that's negative 22,300. 4, climb, that's positive 1,000. 5, below, so that's negative integers. Because it says below 0 degrees Celsius, so it could be any negative numbers. Number 6 is a hard one because we haven't discussed it, but it's included in the task. So for those who answer it correctly, congratulations, you have advanced lessons. So the answer would be positive 2. And that would be our next lesson, which is operation on integers. Number 7, moving on number 7, the keyword is gain, so that is positive 14. So the difference of 80 and 66 is 14. So it is positive 14. Number 8, loss, that's negative 2. Then 25 steps uphill, that's positive 25. And last item, descending, that's negative 10. Okay, congratulations for accomplishing learning task 2. Learning task 3, 1 to 5 only. Arrange the following integers from least to greatest. Write your answer on your answer sheet. You may write your answer as I read each item. Pause the video if you need more time in answering. Number 1, 5, 3, 7, 0, negative 2, negative 1, negative 7. Item number 2, negative 3, 0, 1, 12, negative 5, 2, 8. Number 3, negative 7, 8, 6, negative 4, negative 1, 0, negative 6. For number 4, 2, 0, negative 1, negative 4, 4, 5, negative 5. For the last item, number 5, 4, 3, negative 1, 0, negative 4, negative 6, 10. You may pause the video if you need more time in answering. Let us check your work. Check your own work as I give the correct answers. Remember, we aim for learning, not for points earning. Honesty is the best policy. God bless and enjoy learning more in mathematics. The answers are for number 1, negative 7, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 3, 5, 7. Number 2, negative 5, negative 3, 0, 1, 2, 8, 12. For number 3, negative 7, negative 6, negative 4, negative 1, 0, 6, 8. Number 4, negative 5, negative 4, negative 1, 0, 2, 4, 5. Last item, negative 6, negative 4, negative 1, 0, 3, 4, 10. Congratulations for accomplishing learning task 3, 1 to 5. So we can move on learning task 3, 6 to 10. Learning task 3, numbers 6 to 10. Arrange the following integers from greatest to least. Write your answers on your answer sheet. You may write your answer as I read each item. Pause the video if you need more time in answering. Number 1, 8, negative 3, 0, 1, 6, -4, -2. Item number 2, 1, -3, 0, 12, -5, 4, 11. Number 3, 5, -7, -3, 0, 2, 8, -1. Number 4, -4, 3, -1, 0, -2, 8, -13. For number 5, 20, 1, 6, 0, -4, -23, -42. You may pause the video if you need more time in answering. Let us check your work. Remember, we aim for learning, not for points earning. Honesty is the best policy. So here are the answers. Number 1, 8, 6, 1, 0, -2, -3, -4. Number 2, 12, 11, 4, 1, 0, -3, -5. For number 3, 8, 5, 2, 0, -1, -3, -7. Number 4, 8, 3, 0, -1, -2, -4, -13. And for the last item, 20, 6, 1, 0, -4, -23, and -42. Congratulations for accomplishing Learning Task 3. Learning Task 4, and this is an easy one. Identify the following expression. Write integers or not integers in the given expression. Write your answer on your answer sheet. You may write your answer as I read item. Pause the video if you need more time in answering. Number 1, -2 plus 3. Number 2, 245 thousandths. Number 3, 0. Number 4, 1 and 56 thousandths. -3, -2, -1. Number 6, 1/2 plus 3/4. Number 7, -5/6. Number 8, -6 plus 3. Number 9, -325 thousandths. Number 10, 2 and 350 thousandths. Again, pause the video if you need more time in answering. Let us check your work. Remember, we aim for learning, not for points earning. Honesty is best policy. Number 1, integers. 2, not integers. 3, integers. 4, not integers. 5, integers. 6, not integers. 7, not integers. 8, integers. 9, not integers. And number 10, not integers. Congratulations for accomplishing Learning Task 4. Learning Task 5. Arrange and identify the following numbers or expressions on designated column. Write your answer on your answer sheet. On your answer sheet, you find this column. First column for integers, second fractions, and the last column decimals. Use that table or columns in writing your answers. You may pause the video if you need more time in answering. Let us check your work. Check your own work as I show the correct answers. Remember, we aim for learning, not for point earning. Honesty is the best policy. God bless and enjoy learning more in mathematics. So, here are the answers. Thank you and congratulations for accomplishing learning test 1 to 5. You may take a photo of your work and send it to my messenger account, or you may pass your answer sheet on Friday. God bless and thank you. Keep safe always.